Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can backup website in Hostinger. So this is very easy. First you need to log in Hostinger account. Now here you will find all of your website and you can see this is WordPress website, and select your WordPress website which one you want to backup, and this is the website that I want to backup, and click on manage. Now on the left panel here you can see this menu item. Now scroll down and click on files and navigate and click on backup. And then you will find this. At first we will backup our file and then we will backup database. So first let's select files and then select the date of website, which date you want to backup. So I am gonna do this. Okay, now let's click next step. Okay, here you will find all of your files. So now let's click this and scroll down, and you can restore files. So now I am gonna download all files for backup. Click on this. So our file is backupping and it's preparing backup for download. It could take couple of time. So our backup has been finished. Now let's backup on our database. Select and click on the date to database, and from here select your date. Download. Now it's preparing backup for download. It could take few minutes. Okay, so our backup done. Now let's click download backup. Okay, so now we have downloaded the file and database. So this is how you can take backup in your Hostinger website. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.